Farming isn't for the faint of heart. You know what I mean? Those long days, heavy loads, blazing summer heat, and freezing winter mornings, all while your equipment kicks up a cloud of dust. The last thing any of us needs is a tractor down or a combine sidelined by a breakdown. Here's the truth. Most conventional oils just can't keep up with what we put our gear through. That's where AMSOIL comes in. This isn't your run-of-the-mill lubricant. AMSOIL is built for agriculture, engineered to stand up to the toughest conditions our fields can throw at it. Let me break it down. AMSOIL's synthetic lubricants form a stronger shield between moving parts, even when things get hot and heavy. That means less wear, fewer repairs, and more hours in the field. Exactly what you want when the clock's ticking on harvest. With AMSOIL, you're not just changing oil less often, you're saving money on labor, oil costs, and disposal fees. Extended drain intervals mean more time working and less time wrenching. And with less friction inside your engine and transmission, you'll see real fuel savings. That's cash that stays in your pocket. Hot or cold, AMSOIL keeps its cool. It flows in the coldest mornings and won't break down when the mercury climbs. Plus, it cuts down on oil consumption, protects against rust, and keeps your system running clean, season after season. AMSOIL covers your whole operation. Diesel and gas engine oils, tractor hydraulic fluids, gear lubes, grease, even fuel additives and filters. Each one is designed to handle the extremes of farm life. Ready to boost your harvest and protect your investment? Head over to centralsynthetics.com to find the right AMSOIL products for your equipment. Drop your questions in the comments, hit like and subscribe, and let's keep those combines rolling and those tractors moving. Protect your harvest, choose AMSOIL.